Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond, and tomorrow we got a possibility of the stock is actually giving us some run. Okay, there's two things that's gonna stop the stock from going up. However, if you play it right, in my opinion, you could definitely get some money out of the stock right now. So let's check it out. Right, if you've been following me from day one, you know that we have a lot of levels here, and these are not the levels that I came up with after the fact. Okay, these were the level made up during these videos that I've been making every day, and this is the level if you were to invest or trade the stock. And again, not to give you financial advice, but this is what you're looking for. This is what we call a trend, a historical trend based on real-time data that we gathered throughout the month and a half. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, do consider subscribing, because look, at the end of the day, the objective of the channel is to get you guys information and not really persuade you to do this and not try to pump the stock as well. So now tomorrow, I do believe that because of this SEC filing that we talked about the other day, right? Hudson Bay, who's a counterparty, given cash to Bed Bath & Beyond for the shares. And they said, you know what? The price of the stock has to maintain $1.25. If it does not do that, we are not liable to execute these warrants and not liable to give you any cash. They said, okay, no problem. Bed Bath & Beyond Corporation said, you know what? $1.25 seems much. We want to make it $1. If it goes below $1, you're not obligated to, execute the warrant or give us any cash. All right. Now, what happened is, because Bed Bath & Beyond has to show a certain amount of money to his lender, which is JP Morgan Chase, by April 7th, they need to collect at least more than $100 million right now. Okay, they already have collected about $335 million from Hudson Bay already, which is a dilution we saw in the stock. Now, with that being said, they signed a letter here that said, you know what, until April 3rd, if Bed Bath & Beyond is asking Hudson Bay to execute the warrant, they need more cash. Hudson Bay cannot deny that. They would have to execute the warrant, which means Hudson Bay could possibly lose money. So what they will do, in my opinion, they will manipulate the stock to make it go higher, because they know there's a lot of retail investors a part of the stock. Again, I'm not trying to say that or put a fear, uncertainty, and doubt on the stock. I'm just saying, just be cognizant of the fact that Hudson Bay, who's a counterparty who's giving cash to Bed Bath & Beyond, would want to manipulate the stock to the point where it potentially can bring it back to $1 tomorrow, okay? Because they know there's so many retail investors involved that a little bit of manipulation, 1-2 million stock, if they go into the market and buy it, is going to pump the price up, and people are going to think the stock is about to take off. And this is one scenario where the stock is going to go up. The second is short interest, which is 71%. What does that mean? When the stock price is going to go up, the people who are shorting the stock would have to cover their shorts, eventually pushing the stock price up. Now, if we have these levels here, right? If it crosses this 88 cents level, it is going up to $1. Okay. If it crosses that $1 level, we're going up to $1.13. This is going to be huge gain depending on how many shares you buy, but definitely tomorrow is going to be hot. However, this is market, and stock is still come down to 74 cents. I'm sort of bullish on this, but I am also understanding the fact that we have a Hudson Bay who's trying to make profit. They don't want to lose any money, so they want to bring the stock up and then shut it down real quick. We have short interest, is really high, which is, of course, is going to help in bringing up the short squeeze, but then it's going to get shut down real quick because Hudson Bay has a larger quantity, and they could definitely bring it down real quick if they want to at that point. So with that being said, let's watch out for the stock tomorrow. And of course, I'll be covering the stock tomorrow as well, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.